Good evening, dear friends. I am back with an exciting 10 marker question of IOQM 2022. So, according to the question, let's draw a triangle ABC with few given properties. So, first draw a triangle ABC. So, this is a triangle ABC. We are given that AD is a median that divides angle BAC in the ratio. So, first of all, let's label it A, B, C. It's given that and then it's given that the AD median divides angle BAC. So first draw AD median, right? So this is the AD median and it divides BAC in the ratio 1:2. Okay, extend AD to E. So first of all, let's also extend AD to E, right, such that EB is perpendicular to AB. All right, so now for the continuing, this is E, this is B, and this is a perpendicular AB to AB. So further moving on, we also know that this angle is alpha and this angle is 2 alpha, 1:2 ratio. So that EB is perpendicular, given that BE equals 3. So first of all, let's label this as 3. 4. Find the integer nearest to BC square. So let's move on. Now what we can say that is that sine alpha equals 3/5 as Pythagoras, and we get to know that AE equals 5 by Pythagoras theorem, and similarly cos alpha equals 4/5. Now moving on, we can say that angle ADB equals theta and the angle ADC equals 180 minus theta, because like that's a linear pair. Okay, now moving on, we can also say that by sine rule, I hope you know sine rule, that A by sine A equals B by sine B equals C by sine C. In a triangle ABC, like if this is a triangle, this is the sine rule, ABC, this angle would be A, this angle would be B, and this angle would be C, the opposite angles. Okay, so but that in triangle ABD, we can say that AB is opposite to theta, so AB by sine theta equals BD is opposite to angle alpha, so we can say that BD by sine alpha. So we can rewrite this as sine alpha by sine theta equals BD by AB. I hope this is understood to all. Now moving on, we can also apply the same rule in triangle ADC. So 180 minus theta is opposite to AC, so AC by sine of 180 minus theta. I think we know that sine 180 minus theta equals sine theta, so AC by sine theta, and this also equals taking 2 alpha and CD, so for CD by 2 alpha, sine 2 alpha. Now we can divide this 1 by this equation 2, and we would get that BD by AB into AC by CD equals sine alpha by sine theta into sine theta by sine 2 alpha. Now we can say that BD equals CD, as this is as AD is a median that divides BC in the ratio 1:1, and that sine theta can capture sine theta. Now moving on, we can say that AC by AB, I guess, like AC by AB equals sine alpha by sine 2 alpha. AC by AB equals sine alpha by sine 2 alpha. We know that sine alpha by sine 2 alpha can also be written as sine alpha by 2 sine alpha cos alpha. Sine alpha cut sine alpha. This is 1 by 2 cos alpha. Now we have been given the value of AB. See in the diagram, AB is 4, and also that cos alpha equals 4 by 5. So we can say that AC by 4 equals to 1 by 2 times 4 by 5. This can be written as 5 by 8. So we can say that AC equals 2.5. A big thing. Now applying cosine rule, that states that a square plus b square minus 2ab cos theta equals c square in a triangle where, let's say, this is A, this is B, this is C, this is equals to A, this is equals to B, this is equals to C, and this angle is theta. So applying the same rule here in triangle ABC, we can see that AB square plus AC square, AB square plus AC square minus 2 times cos 3 alpha, alpha plus 2 alpha equals 3 alpha, cos 3 alpha times AB times AC equals BC square. So applying it, we can say that AB square plus AC square minus 2 times AB times AC times cos 3 alpha equals BC square. Now AB square is 4, AC square is AB equals 4, AC equals 2.5, so 16 plus 6.25 minus 2 times 4 times 2.5 times cos 3 alpha equals BC square. We also know that cos 3 theta equals to 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. So applying it, let's move on to the next page first. 16 plus 6.25 minus 2 times 4 times 2.5 times cos 3 alpha. Let's write it down that cos alpha equals 4 by 5, because we would need that further, right? Now this can be written as 22.25 minus 2 times 10 times cos 3 alpha. We just studied cos cube alpha, 4 cos cube alpha minus 3 cos alpha, right? And this can be further written as 22.25 minus 20 times 4 cos cube alpha, that is 4 by 5 whole cube, 64 by 125, 4 times 64 by 125 minus of 3 cos alpha, that is 3 times 4 by 5, that is simply 12 by 5. Now further doing it, 22.25 minus 20 times 256 minus 25 into 12, quick, 300 upon 125, right? This can be written as 22.5 minus, we can capture it, 4 and 25, 4 times negative 44 by 25. Negative, negative, it will be positive, so we can write it as 22.5 plus 4 times 44, 176 by 25 equals BC square. 176 by 25, easy, that's approximately 7. So 22.5 plus 7 equals to, approximately equals to, BC square is approximately 29.5. 29.25. As in the question, it was asked to find the nearest integer to BC square. So doing it, we get the nearest integer as 29, and this is the correct answer of a 10 marker of IOQM 2022. Really good question. Thank you from my sides. Bye bye.